We've all seen TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram make DIYs look so easy, and today, as someone with mediocre at best DIY skills but a DIY king best friend, we are putting them to the test. Starting with this DIY, floral candles. The first DIY that we're doing requires us to go buy some flowers. It kind of doesn't require us to go buy flowers, but I am too much of a goodie that I don't want to go steal them.
I remember I picked flowers for you once and someone got annoyed at me.
Maybe this is what it is in my head that makes me feel nervous.
Do you remember when I did that?
Yeah, that's so cute. If you were game for a little flower theft, this would be a pretty affordable DIY because the candles are like $1. The flowers, depending on what your personality type is, are free. Just secured all of the cute Instagram pictures for Kane. Wow, look at him. Whoa, whoa. Definitely trying to get the cheapest flowers considering I could take these out of someone's garden.
On to the next door.
I love these little pink flowers, but I don't want to spend $35. I feel like some of these could work.
Look at Sarah here with her expensive flowers. I still have a feeling I'm going to pick some up on the way home. I'm gonna borrow flowers, pal.
Is stealing flowers stealing? I feel uncomfortable.
If it's a rose, it's stealing.
I remember my nan had a rose bush that only had one freaking flower on it and someone took it and she was so annoyed. Oh my god. I'm sweating. But it looks like a fancy house too. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. I just dropped one.
Giant fog on one. I'm just gonna keep looking.
Oh no, I just saw another flower bush.
Got myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the
Kane has found some. I feel like these are considered to be weeds. Oh my god.
Sarah's coming back with some flowers.
Okay, they didn't look like they were meant to be there. According to TikTok, we need our flowers, some stolen flowers, candles, and an iron. I think Americans call this parchment paper. I'm not sure. It's meant to flatten them out enough. Time to take the baking paper off. My experience with these TikTok DIYs is that they're not good. Okay, just popping in because I'm super curious. Have you guys ever actually made a DIY that you've seen someone on the internet make? Like a TikTok DIY, a YouTube DIY? Have you ever made one? If not, why not? And if so, did it work out? Very curious. Let me know. Okay, this one is good. Like that would go on there really well. The other ones need a little bit of work. It does look like this one was on the verge of burning though. Oh, she's like crispy. I think it looks kind of cute with the green stem still on there.
only seconds till I get home.
I mean, like I'm not sure if they burnt, but they definitely don't look very happy to have been ironed. That's really saying something.
Your love might save me, cause it feels like I'm home and I'm with you.
I've trashed the kitchen, but I'm gonna leave that there because I have my period and I want to sit down and finish the DIY. You take a tea light candle, you light it. You use the wax from the tea light candle to essentially paint on the flowers. Sometimes these viral TikTok DIYs, they really make it look so easy, but it just ain't. So we'll see. Can a mediocre DIY YouTuber do it? Okay, Kane's lighting some more because it's taking so long to melt that if we need more than one, we're gonna be waiting a while. Okay, is that gonna hold on there though? That is the question. Okay, I feel like I've already put way too much wax on there, so don't overdo it. It is secured. I don't know if it looks good. It kind of has so much wax on it that they don't even look like flowers anymore. They just look like a blob of something underneath some wax. Dip it in the wax. Let's secure it like down here first.
It feels like home.
Here's candle one. It is a little bit more rustic than I would have expected. I kind of thought it was going to look cleaner, but if you just like put it on a shelf from a distance, it's kind of cute. It's like, oh, where did you get that? But when it's like really close, it's like, oh, I get it. You made that. And we'll see how they turn out.
When I'm with you, feels like home.
So the building may be on fire, but my candles are done and we are gonna go evacuate now. Am I the only people in the building evacuating? We are back. The building is not on fire, at least we don't think so, but someone's apartment has been absolutely flooded. One of these sprinklers is just like going off in someone's apartment right now. You can actually see the water coming out of this person's apartment. And luckily that person lives on a floor under us, so our apartment's not gonna get flooded. Kane and I have decided our next DIY requires us to set up this little side table.
I'll do that, you chill.
Oh, pow! He says it as a nice thing, but it's obvious that he just thinks that I would slow him down. Am I right?
Yeah, you are.
Alright.
I just wanna see you, wanna be with you right now.
Bestie Pack came to the rescue. Table was built with no troubles. This DIY is kind of a mix between the viral wall plaster canvases mixed with furniture. I saw a guy do this on TikTok to a coffee table the other day, and it looks so good. Let's get the supplies. You need plaster of Paris, plasterboard tape, and then you just need a bucket and something to mix it up with. Step one, I am gonna put some cardboard down to protect the floor from the plaster. Plus I have an apartment inspection tomorrow. I don't really feel like my real estate agency would appreciate plaster all over the floor. You put this on like a surface that wouldn't really take the plaster of Paris that well. I think it just creates a better texture for it to grip onto. I have a lot of confidence right now, but I can definitely see myself eating those words later on.
I just wanna see you, wanna be with you right now. Why would I leave you? 'Cause I need you here right
And
now.
here is the table. It really wasn't an easy thing to put on. I ended up needing Kane to help me. So if you guys do decide to do this, 100% recommend to have like a friend or something just to help you hold the tape down, because the tape doesn't really stick that well. So it's a lot easier if you do have someone holding it down. Not really sure how much of this stuff I'm gonna need. You guys are probably gonna use a different brand, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix mine.
I just wanna see you, wanna be with you right now.
Kane and I don't think that this is the right consistency, but we're just gonna start. We already added more of the plaster powder into there, so I'm not really sure. I don't wanna mess with it too much. I'm gonna do a little test patch. Oh, definitely watery. We kind of want it to look textured like this, but I'm gonna smooth it out because we have to put 2 coats on, so I don't want to have all these different textures at the end. Now's the challenge of us just flipping the table over. I've got an idea.
Oh yeah, I got mine under. Trust me. Oh, I hit my chin. I got under my chin.
Got it on his face. Pretty much done. I think it's gonna look pretty good. I've been doing these DIYs since 9 a.m. this morning, you guys. And it is almost 5 p.m. The sun is setting. This one is a really easy way to upcycle. It looks like I don't use this pillow, but apparently I've just never taken the tag off. Take an old pillow. This one has a Christmassy print on the back, some macrame string. I have so many pillows and I get bored of them all the time. So I can definitely do with a little bit of spice on some of these. So hopefully it's cute. I ended up doing them in 2 different colored macrame strings, which was not intentional. I just ran out of the one that I got for this. And I feel like the 2 colors actually might be a vibe. Let me know what you guys think. Next up, I gotta go find my hot glue. I probably haven't used the hot glue gun since about 2017. So Kane is still working on the table. Look at this little DIY king with the sun coming in. Wow, this was definitely planned and absolutely not because we took forever to do these DIYs today. Okay, my boyfriend was cooking in the kitchen, so voiceover Sarah, hey, what's up? I just went ahead and took my macrame braids and hot glued them straight onto my pillowcase, but just be like super careful because it's so easy to burn yourself with hot glue and it hurts so bad. And then I just unraveled the ends of my string and trimmed it down so it looks super cute. 10 past 7, it is 2 and a bit hours since I started this DIY. Ooh, okay, sneak peek, I'll show you guys properly tomorrow. This is such a cute little DIY. If you have a pillow that you just want to think about getting rid of, you should do this first. Trust, it's very cute. 95% sure that the table is still wet, but you guys can see what it looks like. It's so freaking cute. Okay, this is actually the coolest DIY I've ever made. If you guys like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Peace!